Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back
Hey,
to
guys, the scares here.
You kidding me? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, if you didn't know, I bought a couple of computer parts, and we're gonna be building a computer because my other computer, which I showed off in my 6th setup tour, my toaster, that actually broke. Douglas spilled water on it, and now it doesn't work anymore. So I had to build another one. Hopefully, this one at least as good, dude. I don't know if it's gonna be as good as the toaster, but it'll be pretty lit. Alright guys, so basically I spent, how much was it? Like $450 on this. Lots of people buy computers, they're like $1,000. Originally I was gonna do that and I was just gonna save up my money for like 1,200 years. But I decided that my computer was so garbage that I had to get a new one because I couldn't even make videos. So we're gonna unbox this stuff. We got this case. It's actually a really cheap case, but you know, what's cool about it is that it's not that bad, you know? It's even got the black interior. It doesn't have the ugly interior, you know? Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Alright. This is the RAM, if you guys didn't know. This is the RAM, alright? I don't know what it is. The stuff, the specs will be in the description. This is the graphics card. It's a 750 Ti. It's kind of old, but shoot. It's really good if you want to like build a computer like I'm about to, because like it's got really good like stuff. Okay, so this is it. It's pretty lit. Okay, as you can see, it's got this stuff on here. All right, next part is the here. We'll do this one. This is the power supply, and if you guys didn't know, I have Windows 10 and a hard drive on the way. So we're not going to be installing the hard drive today. I actually am, since I'm not going to upload this video till like Tuesday, I'm going to go and add in the parts where I add in the hard drive and stuff. So you'll see that in this video, so don't get too worried, you know. So by the end of this video, yeah, we should have a working computer, but...
Let me see it.
No, it's fine.
Let me see the scissors.
Wow, Douglas, okay, you do it.
Come on, I'm going to do it.
Oh my gosh, Dad. This is the power supply. It comes with this cord. This is the power cable. Okay, throw that over there. You're not about to break the motherboard.
I'm not going to break it.
Alright.
I'm not going to break it.
You have to go up through here.
Okay.
Douglas, you're making it upside down, you stupid. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got the motherboard. I don't know what these cables are. That's interesting. Okay. Douglas, what are you doing? You can't just pick it up like that. You're gonna break it.
You're picking it up like that.
Yeah, because you picked it up like that. This is the CPU, okay? This is the second most important part. Of course, this is the most important part, but really, I don't understand why people say it's the most important part, because really, if you didn't have all of them, then you're not going to make a computer, are you? Okay, yeah, so it's really small. Here, I'm about to pull it out. It comes with a fan, though, for the thing. I'm pretty cheap, so I'm going to have to use the stock fan. Other people use different coolers, like water coolers and stuff, but, you know, as I said, cheapo out here. Get a zoom in on that. Oh, yeah. All right. It's really small. It goes right here on the motherboard.
Don't touch it.
I didn't touch it.
You did.
Douglas, be quiet. You're ruining the video. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to have to insert the CPU. Okay? So, if you want to get a close-up here. Okay. We got to pull this. Oh, shoot. We got to pull this open. This comes up. This is my first time doing this. So, if I waste $100 breaking this, I'm sorry. You don't want to touch the top of the CPU, right? The top, because that's where the thermal paste goes. But if you can see this little arrow right there on the bottom, I don't know what side it is for you, but it's the bottom left for me. I had to check. And you're going to just insert it right there. Okay, there it is. And then you're just going to want to put this back. And put this
top left for them.
There we go. Next item on the list, we have the RAM, okay? So basically, as you can see, there's a little notch in there, right? So we're gonna have to line this up. I think you just insert that right there. Oh, it clicked? That's how you know. All right, it clicked. Okay, that's cool. So now we got the RAM in there.
And the processor.
we've gotta put this stuff on this big old
CPU.
Yeah, this big old cooler. There. Hopefully we're all good. Okay, all right. Okay, now I think we're gonna have to put it in the actual case. So let's get a good angle, okay?
Open the case.
Yeah, well, we gotta get a good angle first. You can
Right.
just pause the recording. Okay, so we have that. We have. Let's go ahead and do the power supply, because we're gonna need to plug everything in. Slide that in, and it's gonna screw in right here. So, okay. So I think this here has to. I was looking at this the other night, and I think this has to come out. I was telling you. This here has to come out. So we're going to slide this right in right here. Should just, yep, there. Okay, and then you need to screw this in here. Honestly, I think what's gonna have to happen is we just leave that this little latch off, because actually I don't know. Now that that's in, I think we have to put this back on. Actually, you know what? We're not done, because we have to put the Wi-Fi card in. So this actually goes in the smaller spot. I'll show you. The graphics card has like a big spot that it goes into on the motherboard, and this has like a smaller PCI Express spot. Look, a resource CD. Look at that. We just put that into our. We just put that in with our floppy disks. So what is this? Okay, so these go on the end. This. Do we have to put this together?
How?
Are you kidding me? All right. Okay. So I think we're actually gonna have to go ahead and dismantle the case a bit. So for whatever reason, they don't have like, they don't have to, you don't unscrew them, you just freaking tear them off. So that's cool, whatever. Okay, so now that we have that off, we can go ahead and put this in. We're just going to stick this part out and just keep going. And then that goes in, and we have to, I think we're good. We can put this back on, this little doohickey here. Okay. I think we need to plug this stuff into the power supply. So let's do that. All right. So basically, we just we spent a long time, you know, messing with these little the I/O stuff right here, if you can see, and we came to the conclusion that it doesn't matter which one you plug it into. So we're about to turn it on, and if you're an experienced computer builder, then I hope you're not cringing right now, because that would be bad. Okay, the power supply is on.
Oh.
What? Oh.
Did you turn it off?
Oh.
Okay guys, so it's been a little bit, okay? Last time we recorded it was Saturday, and now it's actually Thursday, which is great. But we have an explanation. The motherboard that we were using before is actually broken. We had to send it back, and we got a brand new one. The other one was actually used, which is why it was so cheap. You know, I guess I should have known, but yeah, so this one actually works. We've actually tested it. It turns on and everything. We're about to install Windows, which came on Sunday. And we've got the hard drive all mounted. Well, it's not mounted, but we're about to do that, and then we'll cut to some clips of it running and stuff. So, see you. Oh wait. All right, we'll turn it on right here though. because it's pretty dope. All right, and there is it. Look, if I put my hand in here, it's like it feels so good. There's actually all the fans have turned on. Douglas, don't. Anyways, it's pretty awesome. This one is actually LED, so it lights up blue, which is awesome. The actual fan. Douglas, stop it.
What?
Stop. You're gonna touch the fan and it's gonna break. Yeah, no, I'm putting this in. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, so basically it's totally on. It's working. It's just downloading some updates right now. I'll be back at you pretty soon with basically, you know, just like a comprehensive review. All right, bye.